Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. Students, we have come up with video number 1 for SSC Selection Post 2023, and in this video we are going to see the exam pattern, section wise syllabus, and what are the objective, challenge and opportunities for each section. Okay, so I request all the students to take pencil and paper, okay, and write down what we are telling you. So student, the very first discussion will be on scheme of exam. Okay, so student, the exam time duration would be 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Okay, and in that time you need to solve 100 questions. Okay, so there are 100 questions in this exam and each question carry 2 marks. Therefore, the total exam will be of 200 marks. Coming to the negative marking, there will be 1/4 negative marking, that is 0.50 for each wrong answer. Okay. Coming to the subject wise number of questions, each section will have 25 questions in it, and there will be 4 sections, namely general intelligence, general awareness, quantitative aptitude and general English. Okay, so in all there will be 100 questions. Okay, student, this scheme is valid for all the posts, okay, including matric level, higher secondary level and the graduation level. Okay, so let's see the first section, that is general intelligence. Before going to the syllabus, let's see what are the objective, challenges and opportunities for this section. Student, the main objective of this section is to make up whether candidate is able to take decision correctly. Okay, and the challenge for this section is speed and accuracy. Okay, there will be question which have a very number of statements, and you need to answer those statements correctly. Okay, and the opportunity for this section preparation will be, it will be common for all the competitive examination. Okay, if you are preparing for ISRO, if you are preparing for SSC, other post, DRDO, it will be mostly common for all the competitive exam. Coming to the syllabus, student, as you can see, there are many topics in this general intelligence, but we have chosen a few, okay, which are very important for the exam point of view. First one is logical Venn diagram. Analogy. Analogy means you need to find the relationship between the two elements. Classification, it is basically odd man out. Coding and encoding, where you need to find a rule of coding and make the other word to decode it. Blood relationship, where you need to find the relationship based on certain conditions. Okay. Direction test, where you need to follow some route based on the direction and you need to find the end point or the beginning point or the intermediate point. Okay. And in the non-verbal, water image and mirror image is one topic. The other topic include ranking, okay, where you need to rank certain elements as per the question. Then sitting arrangement, where you need to arrange the number of people based on the guideline given the question. Okay, it can be linear or circular. Paper and cutting and folding is also another topic in non-verbal. Then syllogism. In syllogism you will have some statement and some conclusion, so you need to infer that conclusion from the statement. In embedded figures, you need to find out the figure which is embedded in the given figure. Okay. Then series, you know, it is a certain pattern a series is formed. It can be of number, alphabet or the picture one. Okay. And finally the dictionary, where you need to order the words as per seen in the dictionary. So student, this is the syllabus for the general intelligence. I will not waste your time in unnecessary discussion. Okay, so let's see the next topic, that is general English. Okay, so student, why general English section is taken generally in competitive exam? Because it is the requirement of basic understanding of official language. Okay, this is our official language, English. Okay, and the other objective is, are you grammatically correct? Okay, so after the selection you need to coordinate and corresponds with different people, so you need to be grammatically correct. Okay, so this section will verify it. And challenges is only for those people who are not comfortable with English, but opportunity is that you need to prepare it, as it is common for all the competitive exams. Okay, so let's see the syllabus. So I have made syllabus as per this table. So as you can see, in comprehension ability you need to work on unseen passages. In one passage you can find 1 to 5 questions. Okay, and close test is very important in SSC selection post. Okay, you will find 5 questions on close test as well. Coming to vocabulary, synonyms and antonyms and one word substitution, these are very important topic in SSC selection post. And as you know, in general English usage, idiom phrases, active, passive and direct, indirect, these are non-avoidable topic in general English section. Error detection, misspelled words, spotting error, sentence improvement, incorrect sentence, these are the basic topic that you need to at least cover. Word jumble, para jumble, 1 to 2 question you can find. Okay, student, I am again repeating, you need not to do A to Z grammar, it is not required at all. You need to work on active, passive, direct, indirect, where rules are required. Okay, and the only practice is the key for preparing English, and there is no other way go out. Okay, so let's see the next thing. So how to prepare for the English? As I told you, A to Z grammar is not necessary, and the second important step is read a lot. Okay, reading habit will certainly improve your English. Not only reading, listening will also improve your grammar and vocabulary. And always remember the rule for translation, like direct to indirect, active to passive. Okay, and as I told you earlier also, practice is only the key for English. Okay, coming to the next section, that is quantitative aptitude. Let's see the objective first. The main objective is to have basic mathematics concept, and are you able to solve the basic problem using maths? That is the main objective of this section. Okay, and the only challenge is speed and accuracy. Student, generally the quantitative aptitude question takes a lot of time, so you need to manage the time in the quantitative aptitude section. Okay, and as I told you, opportunity is, it is common for all the competitive examination. You cannot expect any exam without quantitative aptitude, so better to prepare from now onward. Okay, let's see the next quant topic that you must do. First one is average, a very simple topic and very scoring topic. Ratio and proportion, it is a foundation topic. Ratio, proportion, percentage, profit and loss, these are the foundation topics, okay, that you need to work on. Okay, then SI and CI, a very simple and very scoring topic, but they might be time consuming. Time and distance is another important topic in quant. Time and work is again important topic. The other topic which include quadratic equation, mensuration, probability. Student, in SSC you will find a 1 to 2 question from mensuration and probability, so these are also important topics. Trigonometry is another topic where you find most of the question in SSC post. Okay, then these are the other topics, and number system is also important topic in SSC selection post. Okay, And data interpretation, a few question on graph and pie chart we have seen in the previous year questions, so this data interpretation is also very important. Okay, so how to prepare quantitative aptitude? So first is clear the basic of each concept. Okay, clear the basics of each topic, clear your concepts, that is the first point. Second, understand the category of question they are asking. Okay, in each topic there are certain types of question that you need to work upon. Then practice daily on each category. Okay, so if you are taking percentage as one topic, there are certain kind of questions on percentage which you need to practice daily. Okay, so practice is again the key for preparation for quantitative aptitude. And most importantly, write down the formula and shortcut what you have learned in any topic or any book. Okay, and revision is another important aspect in preparing quantitative aptitude. Okay, so revision will help you in recollecting the formulas and shortcut. So coming to the next topic, that is general awareness. Let's see the objective first. The main objective is to assess your knowledge on the event that happened in past, future and present. The past event what we call as a static knowledge, present event what we call as current affairs, and the only challenge is the scope of syllabus. Student, this general awareness syllabus is very vast, so you need to be very restrictive and precise in preparation. And again the opportunity is same, it is common for all the competitive exam. So general awareness, you can see it is combination of static GK and current affair. You can expect 70% on static GK and 30% on current affair. Okay, so how to prepare for GK? So static GK, you need to be very selective. Okay, choose topic very wisely, and you can have a random check with your mock test. For current affairs, you need to read newspaper daily at least half an hour. If not possible, read weekly or monthly magazine. And you can also watch our current affairs playlist. Okay, that could be helpful for you in competitive exam. And most importantly, note down the important point what are very relevant to the current affairs. Okay, let's see the static GK portion one by one. For static GK, you can see DRDO, ISRO related. These are the few things that you need to look upon, like important missiles, satellites, launch date, operations. Okay, future and past event of DRDO and ISRO. Okay, this is specifically related to DRDO and ISRO, but one or two question you can expect from SSC exam as well. Coming to the history, so history of Asia, Europe, America and world history is not generally asked in SSC selection post. Most of the question are from modern India and the ancient India. Okay, quickly coming to the static GK of geography. In geography, you need to have an overall understanding of Indian geography, national park of India, river and irrigation in India. That is also important topic in geography. Okay, let's see the next question, that is static GK Indian art and festival. In Indian art and festival, you need to look all the dances in India, important dances. What are the various fair and festival? These are the two importance which are generally asked in all the competitive exam. Next is Indian art, architecture and sculpture. These are also important topic that you need to work on. Then in general science, generally in SSC, physics, chemistry and biology, they will not ask, only the basic related to daily life that could be asked in this particular exam. Okay. Then one important topic in static GK is Indian polity and constitution. These are few topics that we have taken for this SSC post. Constitution of India, fundamental right and duties, this amendment, schedules and articles, these are very important topics, student. Okay, so you need to remember all the important articles for this SSC selection post. Coming to the economic portion, you need to look all the schemes which are generally governed by the government. Okay, so those schemes are also generally asked in SSC selection post. Coming to the next national GK, important books and author that you need to look, important days, then important organization, it can be national or international, and awards and honors. Student, you can expect 1 to 2 question from award and honor. We have seen 1 to 2 question from the current affairs, award and honor, as well as the static GK portion. Okay, so that's it, student. So what we have seen the detailed syllabus of each section for SSC selection post. Okay, so if you have anything to say, you can write us. Okay, so that's all, student. We will come up with previous year question for SSC selection post in the upcoming videos. So if you have anything to say, you can write in our comment box. We will happy to answer that. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.